Get ready to take your garage to the next level. Today, we're diving into the top 20 amazing automotive tools on Amazon, packed with smart innovation, futuristic features, and seriously cool upgrades every car lover will appreciate. From problem-solving gadgets to powerful tools that make repairs easier than ever, these picks can completely change the way you work on your vehicle. Stick around till the end, because you won't want to miss what's coming. Number 1. Syncwire Bluetooth FM Transmitter. If you want to upgrade your driving experience without replacing your whole stereo, this Syncwire Bluetooth FM transmitter is a game changer. It delivers clear sound, easy Bluetooth pairing, hands-free calling, and convenient music control so you can focus on the road while enjoying every drive. Plus, it helps keep your car clutter-free with simple plug-and-play use. If you want smarter driving at a budget-friendly price, grab it now before the deal disappears. Check the link below. Number 2. Meguiar's Cleaner Wax. Give your car that showroom shine without hours of work using Meguiar's Cleaner Wax. It cleans, polishes, and protects in one simple step, helping remove light oxidation, minor scratches, and dullness. Your paint looks smooth, glossy, and refreshed, making your ride instantly more eye-catching. It's great for quick weekend detailing and keeps your car protected from the elements. Deals like this don't last forever, so grab it now and check the link below. Number 3. S&T Microfiber Cloth Pack. If you love a spotless vehicle, this S&T Microfiber Cloth Pack is a must-have. These ultra-soft cloths handle dusting, wiping, polishing, and drying without leaving scratches or streaks behind. They're durable, washable, and perfect for detailing both inside and outside your car. From dashboards to windows, they make cleaning effortless and efficient. It's a budget-friendly essential you'll use again and again. Don't wait too long, grab this pack now while the price is still hot. Number 4. Bissell Little Green Carpet Cleaner. Messy spills, stubborn stains, and dirty seats don't stand a chance against the Bissell Little Green Carpet Cleaner. It deep cleans upholstery, carpets, and car seats with powerful suction and spot removal performance. Whether it's kids, pets, or everyday accidents, this compact cleaner makes everything look fresh again. It's lightweight, portable, and incredibly easy to use, making it perfect for car owners who want a cleaner ride. Deals come and go fast, so grab yours now. Check the link below. Number 5. Car Guy's Interior Cleaner. Keep your car looking fresh and well-maintained with Car Guy's Interior Cleaner. This one bottle handles dashboards, leather, vinyl, plastic, fabric, and more, restoring surfaces while leaving a clean, polished finish. No greasy residue, no harsh smell. Just a refreshed, neat interior you'll love sitting in. It's perfect for busy drivers who want quick results with minimal effort. If you care about your car's appearance, don't miss this smart buy. Tap the link below before the deal ends. Number 6. Viking Car Wash Brush. Washing your car becomes a lot easier with the Viking Car Wash Brush. Its soft yet powerful bristles gently remove dirt, grime, and road dust without scratching paint. The long handle helps you reach tricky areas like roofs and windshields effortlessly, saving you time and energy. Whether you're washing at home or on the road, this tool makes every wash quicker and more satisfying. Limited time deals don't stay forever, so secure yours now using the link below. Number 7. Vervewave Buffer Polisher. So want your car to shine like it just rolled off the lot? The Vervewave Buffer Polisher delivers smooth, professional-looking polishing right at home. It helps remove swirl marks, light scratches, and dull spots while bringing back a glossy finish. Lightweight, easy to control, and beginner-friendly, it's perfect for both new car owners and detailing lovers. Protect your paint and boost your car's appeal without spending a fortune. This deal won't last, so grab it now from the link below. Number 8. Joytutus Rearview Mirror. Upgrade your visibility and confidence on the road with the Joytutus Rearview Mirror. It widens your viewing angle, reduces blind spots, and helps you see traffic more clearly, especially during busy drives. The installation is simple and secure, giving you instant improvement without modifying your vehicle. Whether you're reversing, switching lanes, or driving at night, this mirror makes everything safer and easier. Don't miss out on a smarter driving upgrade. Check the link below before the discount disappears. Number 9. AuroraLink CarPlay Adapter. Turn your regular drive into a smart experience with the AuroraLink CarPlay adapter. It transforms your car's system so you can use navigation, music, calls, and apps wirelessly with ease. No complicated installation, no messy cables, just smooth, modern convenience every time you drive. It's perfect for long trips, daily commutes, and anyone who loves seamless tech in their car. Deals like this don't stay long, so grab it before it's gone. Hit the link below. Yet. Number 10. Yonhan Battery Charger. Never worry about a dead battery again with the Yonhan Battery Charger. It's designed to recharge and maintain car batteries safely, extending battery life and saving you from unexpected breakdowns. Whether your car sits unused or you face cold weather starts, this charger keeps things reliable. Easy to use, compact and powerful, it's a smart tool every driver should own. If you want peace of mind on every drive, don't wait, check the link below and grab it now. Number 11. Gooloo Jump Starter. Say goodbye to stressful dead battery moments with the Gooloo Jump Starter. This compact but powerful device brings your car back to life in seconds, giving you instant confidence on the road. It's easy to use, safe, and even doubles as a power bank for your devices. Perfect for road trips, emergencies, and everyday peace of mind. Deals like this disappear fast, so don't miss it. Check the link below and grab yours before it's gone. Number 12. BougeRV Portable Refrigerator. If you love road trips, camping, or long drives, the BougeRV Portable Refrigerator is a total game changer. Keep drinks chilled, snacks fresh, and food safely stored wherever you travel. It runs quietly, cools quickly, and saves you from constantly stopping for ice or expensive roadside purchases. Perfect for families, truck drivers, and RV lovers who value convenience. This is a smart investment you'll use constantly, so grab it now while the deal is still live. Check the link. Number 13. VICSEED Phone Holder. Driving becomes so much easier with the VICSEED phone holder. It keeps your phone steady, secure, and right where you need it for navigation, calls, and music without distractions. Strong grip, adjustable angles, and smooth installation make it reliable on every road. Whether you're commuting daily or taking long trips, this holder boosts safety and convenience instantly. Don't wait until the price goes up. Tap the link below and grab this must-have upgrade while it's still available. Number 14. Buonaidea Car Stereo CarPlay. Transform your driving experience with the Buonaidea Car Stereo CarPlay system. It brings modern technology to your car with easy access to navigation, music, calls, and voice control right on your dashboard. Clear sound, smooth performance, and hassle-free installation make it a fantastic upgrade without buying a new car. Perfect for staying connected and entertained on every drive. This is one of those deals you shouldn't sleep on. Click the link below and secure it before the sale ends. Number 15. Amuka Headrest Hooks. Turn wasted seat space into useful storage with Amuka Headrest Hooks. They easily attach to your car's headrest, letting you hang bags, groceries, backpacks, purses, or jackets so nothing rolls around or gets damaged. Your back seat instantly feels more organized and clutter-free. It's a simple solution that makes everyday driving more comfortable, affordable, practical, and super helpful. This is one of those small gadgets that make a big difference. Grab it now before the price jumps. Check the link below. Number 16. Comsoon Bluetooth Aux Receiver. Upgrade your car's audio the easy way with the Comsoon Bluetooth Aux Receiver. It instantly adds wireless music, hands-free calling, and crystal-clear audio to older vehicles without built-in Bluetooth. Just plug it in and enjoy modern convenience while driving. Whether you love podcasts, playlists, or clear calling, this device delivers smooth performance every time. It's a budget-friendly tech upgrade you'll appreciate daily. Deals like this don't stay forever, so check the link below and get it now. Number 17. Zernber Screen Cleaner Kit. Say goodbye to fingerprints, dust, and annoying streaks with the Zernber Screen Cleaner Kit. Designed for car touchscreens, dashboards, and even phones, this kit delivers a crystal-clear finish without scratching sensitive surfaces. The compact spray and cloth combo is easy to store in your console, making quick cleanups effortless on the road. If you care about visibility and a spotless interior, this is a must-have. Stock moves fast. Click the link and keep your screens looking brand new. Number 18. Xchiang Car Seat Protector. Protecting your car seats doesn't have to look boring, and the Xchiang Car Seat Protector proves it. Built with thick padding and waterproof materials, it shields seats from spills, pet claws, kids' messes, and daily wear. The non-slip backing keeps it firmly in place, even on long drives. Easy to install and clean, it saves you from expensive upholstery repairs. This smart upgrade is worth grabbing now. Check the link before the limited stock runs out. Number 19. Chemical Guys Detailing Brush Set. If you want pro-level detailing results at home, the Chemical Guys Detailing Brush Set is a game changer. These premium brushes reach tight vents, badges, wheels, and interior crevices where dirt hides. Soft yet durable bristles clean deeply without scratching delicate surfaces. Perfect for beginners and car enthusiasts alike, this set turns boring cleaning into a satisfying routine. It's a high-value upgrade for any garage. Hit the link and elevate your car care instantly. Number 20. Ronin Factory Bullet Antenna. Give your vehicle a bold, stylish upgrade with the Ronin Factory Bullet Antenna. It replaces bulky stock antennas with a sleek, durable design that looks amazing while still delivering great reception. Rust-proof, weather-resistant, and built tough, it handles every drive like a champ. It's a simple installation but makes a big visual difference, instantly boosting your vehicle's personality. If you love standout upgrades, don't wait. This deal won't sit long. Click the link below and get yours today. That wraps up our list of the top 20 amazing automotive tools on Amazon. If any of these gadgets caught your attention, don't wait. Most of them are available for a limited time. Upgrade your ride, make driving easier, and grab your favorites now by clicking the links below.